Hi everybody, I'm Scott Morris, co-founder of Roshambo Baby, and I have huge news, game-changing. So, you may be familiar with our amazing sunglasses for the whole family that do this. Well, now, all of our lenses are also polarized. Parents all the time ask, what does polarized mean? Polarized lenses are the best you can get. That just means there's an extra layer of protection on there that reduces eye strain when you're looking at the sun. You know when you look at the sun and your eyes kind of hurt? Eye strain. Avoid that. Cut that out. That causes long-term issues down the road in life that you can't get rid of. So start early, start with baby size, go all the way through adult size, all polarized, awesome low price. Okay, so polarized, Italian-made, unbreakable sunglasses starting at $20. How is that even possible? I know, it's crazy. So we're finally able to do this for you because of two things. One, make tons of shades in Italy. Two, assemble them in the US. So we finally have enough sunglasses every year that we're making that we get a bulk discount. We're passing that on to you. The other thing, we used to have our Italian manufacturer put the lenses in for us. Now we proudly assemble the product here in-house in San Diego, California, and we make an Italian-made, USA assembled product that costs less.